Greetings, Jason. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get credit for your window overhang. So here's your project, and here is Office 122. And notice, write this down. The load is 9805. Okay. Excuse me. I'll remember. 9805. If not, you remind me. Yuck, yuck. Okay, so what you do is you go to the wall first. So in this example on Office 122, I'm going to use that wall as the example. So I'm sorry, you go to the window first, and I'm going to select a 6-foot overhang. Okay, like we used to in the old days. All right, and then of course now it's asking for the window width and height. So I'm putting in 8 by 6 for my 48 square foot. Okay. And then it needs an X and Y axis. So X is, you probably know because you're AutoCAD. So X is your width. So I'm just going to leave that at 0 because it doesn't make a bit of difference. So we're just going to say it starts at 0 from the edge of the wall. And my Y axis is determined by the zone level. When I click on the zone level and it says building story floor 1, I click on select. And it's telling me that right now I have it set up. It's not right, but elevation is 0.7, and we're going to say the ceiling height is 10, and the floor-to-floor height is 11. These are just things you have to do, okay? So window head height, 6.5, whatever, it doesn't matter. The key is our elevation above grade is set at 0.7. So when we go back to our window y-axis, we want to put in 0.7 as well. Now, you're not done. Now you click on the wall, and you'll notice there's 2 new inputs for your surface geometry for shading devices. So your wall width is going to be 8 foot, and your wall height is going to be 10, which must equal up this, whatever this is up here. And likewise, of course, I know I don't have to tell you this, but on the window, if this is 48, then these two have to equal 48, okay? So now we were at 9805 for Office 122, and when I calculate it, now notice we're at 6729. So it does definitely change the value for your loads. And also, as long as we're on the subject, so I don't have to make a separate video, I met with Martin today because I had training, and I discovered the following. Instead of doing that crazy thing that I told you about, instead of 0.5 for, I guess I should review this. You know, for the loads, you wanted to use the 2% column. The easiest way to do it is you go down to calculations. Now remember, this is 6729. Okay. So you go to calculations and you click on the loads. And here's where it is, Jason. So winter design conditions, we can leave that at medium of extremes, or you can select 0.2 or 0.6. And for summer, right now it's defaulted for 0.5%, and you can change it to 2. So now when I calculate, we're at 6729, and now I'm at 5900. Okay? So that's all there is to it. It doesn't even make any sense. 0.5 is more restrictive. Oh yeah, so the load should be high. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, so anyway, that's where you do it. Anyway, I hope this little video has helped you, and it's always a pleasure to work with you. All right, take care. Bye now.